Hello everyone, my name is GNANAVAThi from AIDS branch, startup company Radiant, product present name vending machine, product proposed name quick white box. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. First, health checkup. A vending machine that offers basic health assessment like blood pressure or BMI measurements and provides healthy snack recommendations. Second, getting multiple items at a time and prepares food by its own. Third, easy access. The define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name vending machine. Futuristic product name quick bite box. Ideate some of the additional features to be added or mentioned here. First, implement an intuitive touchscreen interface for easy navigation and product selection. Accept various payment methods, including credit or debit cards. Mobile payments like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and contactless payments. Use AI to suggest products based on previous purchases or popular trends. Provide support for multiple languages to cater to diverse user groups. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the vendor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Here the sketch. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.